Have you ever realized how many things you touch daily? Germs and bacteria can be anywhere you go. Introducing Evelas. Evelas is our portable soap paper with a keychain and carabiner. It's very simple. Just open the case, tear off a piece, and add some water to it. There are 40 uses per roll of paper that you can use often anywhere you go. And you can easily fasten the case onto any bag, jeans, or keychain. And for extra protection, attach a hand sanitizer onto it.
In your world, 0.2 of a second is everything. It's the difference between standing atop the podium or staring up at it. That quest for glory starts right here.
5 a.m. in a freezing pool.
You know the drill. What you don't know? A little backstory. The pace clock, invented in 1949 by this bloke.
Ah, crikey.
Your life in the pool revolves around the pace clock. How are you supposed to track your time if you can't always see it?
Bit old-fashioned, yeah?
Ex-competitive swimmer Dan thought so too.
I'm frustrated. When I swim, my face is here, but the pace clock is over there.
Frustrated Dan led to Action Dan, so Dan built Form, a company hell-bent on inventing swim goggles with a smart display. We're talking the same display tech found in fighter jets. Boom. Cue flip of the script. With the Form swim goggles, you've got a front row seat to in-activity readouts like stroke rate, splits, and intervals, all displayed right in front of your eyeballs, real time. It's almost like your coach is right there with you.
Holy shit!
We're not here to replace this guy. We just want to add the tech to your technique. With the Form swim goggles, you can hone your focus and accurately measure your effort so your coach can go back to doing what he's great at.
108.67.
Go again.
If life for you is the day in and day out grind for glory, then stop guessing, start swimming with the Form swim goggles. It's about time.
I know what you're missing, Leo.
Sleep. Lots of sleep.
What if I told you most pillows are only designed for one sleeping position? And as soon as you move, your cervical spine goes out of alignment, leaving your head and neck without any support. If that hurts after a few minutes of sitting, imagine how it feels after a whole night. You think that's rest you're getting now?
Tell me about it. Bad sleep posture can block airways that can lead to chronic snoring. Welcome to the real world.
Or is it? Enter the Matrix Pillow, the anti-snoring pillow that automatically adapts to any sleeping position. On your back, on your side, or on your stomach, the Matrix Pillow keeps your spine perfectly aligned.
Whoa.
The Matrix Pillow has a triangle structure made up of 14 individual cubes. These cubes let it change its shape to support different pressure points as you move.
But no one's ever tried this before.
That's why it's going to work. For back sleeping, the center of the pillow retracts to make room for your head while the edges rise up to support your neck. For side and stomach sleeping, the edges move down and the center rises up to support your face and neck. No matter how you lay down, the Matrix Pillow keeps your spine in its natural shape, so you can plug into a deep sleep faster and longer.
Which means I wake up better and brighter. I like this new reality.
Whether you're looking to prevent back pain or you need some pain relief, this pillow is the one.
Sleeping on the Matrix Pillow, I realized there is no snore. Because a straight spine means clear airways. I don't know how it works, but ignorance is bliss.
The secret is in the Matrix Pillow's 2 layers of support. The black layer is a soft NASA memory foam that absorbs the pressure from your head and neck. The red layer is a high rebound sponge that provides lasting support over time. To prevent overheating, the Matrix Pillow has multiple grooves that circulate heat away from your body. And with the extra breathable modal cover, you won't think you're cool, you'll know you're cool. So this is your last chance. You can keep your old pillow and wake up feeling the way you've always felt. Or you can back this project, receive the Matrix Pillow, and get the best sleep of your life. Unplug from the world of sleeplessness today. The Matrix Pillow. Back us now only on Kickstarter.